Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another Nick Says Go video. I'm Nick from nicksaysgo.com. If you're new here, man, welcome to my channel. We talk about everything from lifestyle to grooming to fashion to home decor. Whatever you need, I got you covered. Today, I got something special, man. This is the Telfar Durag. If you're not familiar with Telfar, man, the brand has gone crazy over the last year. They're known for their vegan leather handbags. They come in 3 sizes, hella flavors, hella colors. And last week they released some do-rags. So I had to get one, They came in five different styles, and what I have for you here is the black logo colorway. So we're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna try it on, we're gonna put a fit together. You know the usual, so stay tuned. Let's crack this bad boy open. All right, guys, we are at the official unboxing table. If you know, if you've been keeping up, my bookshelf is where I do a lot of my unboxings and where I talk about a lot of products. So sometimes I use my kitchen table, but I think this is the official unboxing area. So stick with me, yo. We're trying to figure this thing out, but just stick with me. So as I said, we have the Telfar Durag here. Just to get started on the packaging, very deluxe, very luxury, you know what I mean? Kind of reminds me of the sturdiness of a box that, like, you know, my Louis Vuitton wallet came in, things like that. So even though it's a Durag, like, you're still getting luxury treatment. So let's see what we got. Without further ado, oh, knocking over the artwork. Wow, look at that. So this is the official Telfar logo that they use on all of their products, of course, their bags, whatever else. This is the logo. It's like a nice monogram print all over the Durag. Let's move this out the way. Man, wow. Yeah, this is definitely not your beauty supply Durag. This is put together nicely. Monogram logo all over. We have a tag down here, nice and stitched on. Let people know when the cape is flying. Let them know what time it is. Established 2005 NYC. This is nice, man. I mean, it's a Durag. I understand a lot of people will probably be like, oh my goodness, man, like, it's a $100 Durag. What are you doing? You know, why not? I treat myself, have a little bit of fun with stuff I buy sometimes, you know. I would have spent this on something else. Overall, it looks nice, man. The quality feels good. Stitched together well, I would say. I like it. Oh, on the inside it has the same monogram print, but much smaller. Okay, like a mini monogram, and then on the outside. Yeah. Also, if you're a Durag head like myself, and you're a waver, you're gonna appreciate this. So a lot of Durags on the inside, it's not double stitched like this, right? It's just kind of stitched one time, and then there's a flap that like sticks up throughout the middle. So if you tie it too tight on your head, you get like a line in your waves, or like on your forehead. So the way that they stitched it so that it's still flat, like all the way across, it's still flat. You can wear it the correct way, and you probably won't get any lines in your head or your waves or your forehead. So a little underrated piece of craftsmanship right there. Overall, I mean, are you gonna ask me if it's worth $100 or not? I mean, I think that's in the eye of the person that bought it. I think it just depends on what you feel like spending money on. To me personally, I didn't really care. I wear Durags a lot. My birthday is in 2 weeks. I treated myself. I'm not gonna tell you what to spend or what not to spend, but for me, I'm enjoying it so far. I enjoy the look of it. I'm about to put it on so y'all can see, and yeah, let's try it out. All right, guys, the Durag is on. For the first go round, I tied it up how I normally tie my Durags. You know, real simple. You can see the cape is long. Cape is very long. It shines nice in the light. It's very luxury, I feel very luxurious and rich with this on. Like I said earlier, the inside is like a mini Telfar print. And then on the outside, it's the big print, the big monogram print. Stitched on designer logo. It looks good, it feels good. I'm gonna tie it up another way because the strings are kind of long to tie it up, but I have a big head, so it's not as long as it probably would be on somebody else. So I'm gonna try another way real quick, see if I can get a little more style to it. All right, so I tied it up another way, a little more flavor to it. I hit it with the side bow instead of the back bow. So this is something I'd probably do if I was wearing this out somewhere, you know, going out to a function or something like that. Hit it with a little side flare with the cape out. Yeah, I fuck with it, man. Telfar, y'all did a good job. I like this, man. You know, do-rags are something that, you know, a lot of the time are frowned upon in public. Not by us, but by other people. You know, they're frowned upon in public, but took something that we used to, you know, we used to buy for $3, $5 here and there. Hit us with a luxury one. I dare somebody to try to hate on this in public, man. This is icy as hell, come on. So, yeah, if you're thinking about copping, man, scoop. It's nice. Something to add to your collection. If you're a waiver, you just want, you know, something new for your head, cool. If you're trying to get some style with it, you can do that too, why not? So yeah, I highly recommend. This is A1. It's another Nick Says Go review, man. If y'all like that, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up. I got some more stuff for y'all on the way, man. Also, before I go, big congratulations to Telfar Clemens, the founder and designer for Telfar. Just won a massive award yesterday. Kirby Jean Raymond won as well, and Christopher John Rogers just won as well too. So big shout out to them. I love seeing black men get fashion awards, so yeah, big respect. So show them some love, show me some love, and if you cop, let me know what you think, and I'll holler at y'all soon. Peace.